Everyone. So today is 25th of December and I'm going to show you what we are building or built with the help of anti-gravity. So if you haven't heard of anti-gravity, it's the IDE from Google for agentic coding, right? We are going to show you how we are going to leverage anti-gravity to do some crazy AI coding and build your own complete new UI from scratch and like give your own mind coding interactions and everything. I hope this looks cool at every. You can see the ultimate finish. You can see the micro interactions and this one. See, we have included. You can also check here. You can see, and you can see what is happening here. Yeah, I hope it's good. You can also check the get card options here from here. I hope. Yeah, this is the final front end we had built with Wavelink. And the tech stack we used here is React, right? shadcn. Actually, I don't want to speak more. I'm going to show you what we have built here. We're using for the engine the Tailwind CSS3. The components will be used by shadcn. UI components, which is really common. You can see in Cloudy and any other places. We also use Lucid React because it's simple. Animations, Tailwind Animate, and like we use some custom framer like CS transitions. And for the routing logics, we use React Router 6, and for the data fetching system, we use Stack Query v5 and some React hook form because we had a hook form with some validation logic. So, and for in the backend, we did use some Google App Script and Google Sheets for backend logic because it makes things easier. For deployment, we use Vercel and we use automations for GitHub Actions for CI/CD deployment. I hope this looks good for you. If you have any questions, please don't forget to comment, subscribe at youtube.com/@medium.card/md.abir1203, and also don't forget to check my newsletter copyhype.com, right? And Muhammad Abid, Muhammad's Abid. I hope you're gonna have a good day. Thank you very much for listening.